Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can install the Android Studio on your Windows 11 device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information. So let's get on it. First, what you'll need to do is to check the requirements before you install Android Studio on your Windows 11. So before we dive into the installation process of Android Studio on Windows 11, it is important to make sure your system meets the minimum requirements for running the software. So Android Studio is a powerful IDE, and to ensure a smooth experience, your system needs to meet certain specifications. So the minimum requirements for installing Android Studios are you need to have 64-bit Windows operating system and 8 gig of RAM and 2 gigabytes of available disk space minimum, at least 4 GB of recommended disk space for Android Studios and its components, and then 64-bit processor with at least 2 GHz of clock speed, and a graphics card with hardware acceleration is recommended but not necessary, and a monitor with a resolution of at least 1280 by 800 pixels. So it is important to note that while these are the minimum requirements, having better specifications such as more RAM and a faster processor will improve the performance of Android Studio. Also, make sure that your Windows 11 operating system is up to date with the latest updates and patches installed. So next, what you need to do is downloading the Android Studio on your Windows 11. So when it comes to downloading Android Studio for Windows 11, there is no need to look any further than the official Android developer website. So as you can see here on this presentation, this is the only place you should be downloading the software from to ensure you are getting the latest version and to avoid any potential security risks. So the process is simple and straightforward, and in a matter of minutes, you'll be ready to start installing Android Studio on your Windows 11 machine. And to download, simply visit this link right here. It is at developer.android.com/studio, and just click the download Android Studio right here. So this button right here, and from there you'll be taken to download the page where you can choose the version of Android Studio that is right for you. And if you're new to Android app development, I recommend downloading the standard version, which includes all tools and resources you need to get started. And then next, you need to verify the download. And once you have selected the version that you want, simply click the download button and wait for the download to complete. And I recommend saving the file to your downloads folder for easy access. And with Android Studio successfully downloaded, you're one step closer for your first Android app on Windows 11. And next step is finally installing the Android Studio on your device. So now that you have downloaded Android Studio and verified the download, it is time to install it on your Windows 11 machine. So the process is straightforward and simple, but there are a few important steps you need to follow to ensure a smooth installation. So here are the steps you need to take. You can go right ahead and pause this video and follow the steps, or you can follow me as I read through these steps right here. So first, double click onto the Android Studio installer file you just downloaded, and this will launch the setup wizard. And then click onto the next and accept the license agreement and choose the destination folder where you want to install Android Studio, and you can keep the default location or select a custom one. And then select the components you want to install, including Android Virtual Device and Android Studio, and select the Start Menu folder where you want Android Studio to appear, and just click the install and wait for the installation to complete. So this process may take a few minutes depending on your machine specifications. And once you've installed or installation is complete, you'll see the completing the Android Studio setup wizard on your screen, and check the box to start Android Studio and just click the finish. So that's it. You have successfully installed Android Studio on your Windows 11 machine. Now it is your time to configure your environment and start building your first Android app. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.